Hello. I can't physically study without live streaming for some reason. I just watched another Rick and Morty. My goodness. Well, I'm gonna add that to when I make the lead list. Can't physically study on my own for some reason. And it's like bad. Like bad. How bad can I be? But yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna study until I pass out. Okay? Fall asleep on my own. Which is gonna be kind of dangerous because I have other responsibilities than life. But you know what? Let's study for 2 hours. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
I'm not allowed to do anything, any games, anything, like any distraction or like stuff until this 15 minutes. I'm really hating myself. Oh my goodness. Self hate for education. Never thought that would exist. I was doing this, took me 3 minutes. I was like trying to do like look at this. No Siri, I didn't say your name. I didn't say 15. I said hey Siri, set a timer for 50 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 50 minutes.
50 minutes starting now.
Thank you. I was doing like this type of stuff, and then I was like, why is it not matching with each other, even though it looks kind of similar? I was really tempted to pick 5 over 13. Then I realized it said, what is the value of COSO? And so I realized that it just wants these two numbers. And so I realized I was dumb, got it, and got it. It was, what do you call in my oh my god, I'm so good at making time. I'm not really good at making numbers, but I'm like making my thumbnails too many times. Look at this. This is the screenshot. Okay, because Google Whiteboard is gonna go away for some reason. I took this downloaded the screenshot, which is this. It's very detailed. Oh, like clicking. Oh my god. So for math, you know what? Let's like make it small, bigger. Is this math or English? This is English. So on the right, oh my god, where am I? Why are you scrolling so hard? Okay, look, 6 7. Okay, where am I? You know what? Let's go to Photoshop and like let's. Oh yeah, this is today's thumbnail. Let's delete that. I love using this website. Alright, let's put that in. 3, 2, 1. Open. Open. Now I can everything. Alright, so for the math section, there is this is the first one. When it's only asks for 0. Did it ask for 0? It said close 0. It wants the angle like 90 degrees. And when it says close 0, it wants Soka total the 12 13. I forgot. Oh my god, it's so pixelated. Okay. Wait, is this the same problem? 12 over 13. 12 over 13. That's the same. It's the exact problem that I got wrong. Oh, so they're giving me the problems that I got wrong and making me do it again. Well, that's nice. Oh yeah, let me like open chat. Hey, Siri, add 2 minutes to. You know what? You can make Siri do like anything that's like kind of difficult. But what's my timer? It said set a timer for like 50 minutes. CL clock. Um, why did you turn off my 50-minute timer? Okay, nice. The 50-minute got reset. Yay, we all like that, right? Rick and Morty. Oh, okay. Rick and Morty is fun. What am I doing? But I'm not allowed to watch it until 50 minutes. Meaning I should log the Bomba Club in. Ding a ding a ding. Okay, wait. This is like glitchy. Okay, we got this. This is good. Nice. Let's do another problem. Anytime it says close zero, that means it's talking about this, like Sokotoa. Alright, it's lagging. You know what? Let me refresh this website. Alright, nice. Everything's working. Oh, I already did this. It's 12 or 13. Alright, that's good. Okay. Ooh. Okay, okay. Give me my pencil. Okay. Oh, disable. Okay. What are we doing? Which choice is the equal? Which choice is equal to tan 0 for the triangle shown? Shown. So, if you do SOHCAHTOA, so TOA, TOA. Remember it's supposed but with the A, so TOA. So over here, this is opposite, hypotenuse, and A. So this is so 3 A, so 4. So 3 4. Which one says 3 4? 3 4. Boom. None. Boom chickalakaling. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Let's go. Right has an area of 24 inches square centimeters. If the base is 8, okay, what is the height of the? Oh, you know what's the best part about this? It's a right triangle. So 24, then boom, then 8 squared plus b squared plus c. Oh, a right triangle. Yeah, right triangle has a base, has an area of 24 centimeters. Yeah. Did I do anything wrong? If the base is 8 centimeters, yeah, what is the height in centimeters of the triangle? Triangle, right? You're talking about this, right? And not this. Yeah, it's talking about the triangle. So a right triangle. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So b should be 22. There is no 22. You know what? Let's do it again. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Oh wait, that's a big C. Okay, now let's do this. A is 8, C is 24. Hmm. A right triangle. Okay, let's read it. A right triangle has an area of 24 square centimeters. Square centimeters. If the base is 8 centimeters, what is the height in centimeters of the triangle? It says square centimeters. It doesn't say centimeters. Does that mean that 2 have to be 3? That still doesn't give us the answer. Square centimeters. What do you mean square centimeters? Obviously, no problem will be easy. Okay, a right triangle. Okay, okay. So this is how I see it. Oh wait, no. I don't want to pick anything. So a right triangle has an area of 24 square centimeters. Cubit, square, cubit. So it's not cubit, it's square. What do you mean square centimeters? 24 square centimeters. Pi square? Pi r square? Square. Is this called square? Or I think that's square, right? What the what is called? Two squared. Okay, so yeah. The two squared. So that means wait. So 24 squared equals 8 squared. Oh, you just want 8. Oh, the base is 8. 8 plus height. Height square uses 22, but because you said square, should this be like 4? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, you know what? Okay, base is 8. A triangle has a base. A right triangle has an area of 20. The base. Do you mean a 3D triangle? Is there even a 3D triangle? Are you talking about the pyramid? I don't think so because he didn't say a triangle prism or a pyramid. So it shouldn't be a prism. A right triangle has an area of 24 square centimeters. If the base is 8 centimeters, what is the height in centimeters of the triangle? That's a question everyone asks about their life. So 8 square. Okay, let's just like write it here. 8 square plus, let's say 3 square. Is that 24? No. Wait. This number is the least number. Do you want us to root 24? That does give us the answer. The square 49, which is not what we want. Alright, let's try 6. Oh yeah, it's going up. Yeah, it's going up. A right triangle. A right triangle, so it's a triangle, so that's a triangle. This is a triangle. Not a red triangle, just a triangle. So a right triangle has an area of 24 square centimeters. Okay. So the whole area is 20. It doesn't really mean anything. It just means centimeters. If the base is 8 centimeters, so if the base is, what is the height in centimeters? One thing, but it's a right triangle though. Okay, let's try another method. 8 times p times 1/2. Okay, p is 3. P is 6. It's 6. But it's a right triangle. Wait. It's a right triangle. So couldn't I just do a square plus b square equal c square? Where it says if the base, don't you mean the bottom? So a equals 8. Um C equals 24. And we're trying to find b, which is the height. But it gives us 22. What form? Wait, let me see another formula. This is a cone. A square plus b square equals c square. Yeah. That's not a triangle. Why am I even looking at that? Ooh, ooh, I can pick any color. Oh, that's cool. Alright, that still doesn't make sense. Why did this formula not work? Oh, wait. Yeah, I mean, wait. If I delete this, if I delete this, make this, make this, delete that. But it's a right triangle. Wait, in the formula, it's a right triangle too, right? Yeah, that's a. Wait. Oh, now it makes sense. Oh my goodness, I'm not smart. At least I'm getting smart now. This is a the outside lines formula. This is only for to find the line length. I'm not trying to find the line length area. And which one is the area formula? It's 1/2 base times height, which I legit just created right now because I was so confused on how this works. Guys, I technically created the formula base times height. No, but it was nice that somehow found my own way to create this formula. Okay, even if it's a right angle and you're trying to find the area. Okay, this is area and this is like the outside line. I'm so happy I'm doing this because I would have been so confused in the real test and actually will take 7 minutes, so like skip it. I will skip it like after like 5 minutes maybe. Oh my goodness. It said area. Yeah, area formula, which is here. See? Base times height. I'm gonna look to myself like after years, so maybe like when I graduate or something. And I would be so proud of watching myself struggle, seeing that I improved. That's a good feeling. All right, b equals 8. I mean, yeah, b equals 8. Okay, I get it now. I get it, and it's easy. I mean, it's supposed to be easy. You just need to know your stuff, which I'm not really knowing my stuff. All right, let's go. Um, from a point on the ground level. Okay. Um, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30. So this is the ground, and this is a building. Oh, now look at that. It's a right triangle. That is 30. After a person walks 100 meters directly towards the building, the angle visible becomes 45. Okay, so let's say after like maybe like here to here, now it's like 5 meters directly towards the building. Assuming the ground level of the person I is at ground level. Yeah, assuming he's like looking to the ground. What is the height of the building in meters? Okay, so this is easy. So what we do is we try to do this fast, or I will forget how to do it. So, oh no. Okay, so yeah, I forgot. Or did I? 30 divided h 45. Now, which one gives us this? Oh wait, I just I didn't even realize I put it as H, which is height. Wow. Um, I'm proud of myself. Let's stop being proud now. Let's like try to get the answer first. Ooh, that's not the same thing. Ding a ling a ling. Ooh, that's not even close, baby. Ho ho ho. 100 squat sweet. Nah. Okay, now I know I'm doing something wrong. Um, alright, let's start to imagine. From a ground level, the angle of vision of the top of the building is 30. After a person walks 100 meters directly towards the building, the ground level becomes 45. Assuming the ground level and the person's eye are at the ground level, what is the height of the building in meters? Yo, I mean, can I really do this? Wait, if you think about it, oh wait, oops. So if you think about it, this is a straight line. This is the building, okay? Beautiful. Now, from far away, over here to over here, the farther you are, the over here to over here is 30. But let's say he went from over here to like over here, which is 100. Yo, that it looks so juicy. Okay, from over here to over here, he looks up. Now, 45. Yo, I love this mouse. Okay, so that does not look like a 40. Yes, this is even. No! I meant to click undo! Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my. Ah, ah. Happy? Speedrun. Okay, now what is the building's height? If you see this, this is technically a right angle with 30 and 30 here. Wait, it is a right angle. We can find the angle to this easily, but how will that be useful? That won't. We need to find this. Did I think I did this type of problem because let's say 30 is the height. Or you know what? Height divided by 30. Okay? And but we don't know the height. Oh wait. No, this won't work. We need two answers. Um Yo, I love that there's like a cricket making the cricket sound in the background. It's so funny. Um, hmm, hmm. Okay, we got both 2 degrees. Okay, that's what we have. We do know that this guy walks 100 mile over here. So we got 1, 2, and 3, which is exactly how much we need. But let's say 30, 100. Okay, over here 45 divided h, meaning from here to here it's 150. Whoa. Okay, so over here to the building is 150 somehow. Now that means because we found this, we need to find this, but we don't know what that is. But we can use Sokotoa now. We can use Sokotoa. Yeah. So because we can use Sokotoa, this goes here. This is become opposite becomes hypotenuse, and this becomes A. Now which one uses A and O? So nope. Cause No. Toa. Oh yeah, ONH, ONH. I mean ONA. Oh my goodness, ONA. Oh no, I'm already starting to like. Okay, now because it uses that, let's go here. Let's click on degrees. Um, so you use Toa. So tan. Yeah, tan. Okay. 10 equal 45 degrees. Okay. This symbol. Hmm. So Toa. So first O. O. So we don't know O. And then we and then A, which is 150. I don't trust this. Wait, to do this, you need to do that. So 2 times 150. Oh, it's 150. Oh, it's 150. Oh, the height is 150. I love my job. Okay, wait, what did I do? Draw the building as a vertical.
Vertical.
Oh yeah. Wait, show me a picture of vertical. Wikipedia. Show me a picture of Oh my goodness. Vertical. Um. Yeah. Show vertical angles. Oh my goodness. It made me open a Wikipedia page. Um. Vertical angles. Huh. I never knew Wikipedia has math stuff. This is actually crazy. I could read about math, and I just okay. I will do that later. So what did I do wrong? How did I read it wrong? Um, draw the building as a vertical line and the ground as a horizontal line. What's a horizontal line? Oh, Wikipedia doesn't know what's a horizontal line. A horizontal line. Right. Horizontal engine, horizontal total, horizontal plate. Okay, horizontal. Isn't horizontal is left to right? I think it's left to right. Nope. Come back. Okay. Whoa, look at me. I'm glitching. Okay, horizontal.
Horizontal.
Horizontal? Oh, I forgot the L. Horizontal. I'm getting hungry. Horizontal. Horizontal. Yo, just go to simple definition. Position from side to side rather than up and down. Okay, so left right. Like I said, left right. Yo, it's way too hot in here. For my point. Okay, so what it's talking about is like we said, a thing, a building, okay, from a point on level ground, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30 degrees. Okay, let's say from here to the top of the building, it's 30. Okay, we're doing this. I'm gonna draw this a million times until I understand this. After a person walks 100 meters, so from here to let's say like here. Okay, this is like 100. Yes, my drawing skills is so good. After the person walks 100 meters directly towards the building, the angle of vision becomes 45 degrees. So from here, wait, the angle of elevation. Okay, yeah, becomes 45 degrees. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we can't forget that little circle. Okay, assuming the ground is level and the person's eye is at ground level, what is the height of the building in meters? Please tell me. Yes, it's in meters. We're saved. We're saved. We are saved. So, bam, bam. First, do you want to find the ground? I mean, if we do, we can do Sokotoa and then like I don't know. We'll find. Okay, let's find the ground because the base is like so. Um. Hmm. 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 Okay, so 30. Should 30 have the 1000? No, 30 is H. We don't know what 30. Actually, we do know it goes from 30 to there. So 30 should have the 100. Ha 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 ha. Divided by 45. But this has the H. So it's 150. So this is 1. Oh my goodness. Oh! Why did I even put. Yo, yo, yo. Stop, stop, stop it. Stop it. Undo, 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 undo. Maybe another undo. Okay, disable, fix, fix. Okay, nice. No! Stop, stop. Stop it. Okay, nice. So from here to all the way touching the building is 150. So if you add both of this together, right? Uh, 150 plus 100. Yo, I really need that person that helped me. Okay, so max is 250. The base is 250. Yes, yes, yes. Skibidi toilet. So now because the whole thing is 250, which I could have done with simple math, but I can't because I'm not good at doing simple math, but hard math. Um, this is 250. We don't know what this is, but we can use Sokatoa. Let's do let's do Toa first because I feel like Toa is gonna work. So this becomes O, this becomes A. Yay! Okay, so remember A is 250. Remember that mo. Okay, okay. So because we're trying to find an angle, we should go to degrees mode, which we already are. Let's be careful and use tan, okay, like from here, so I don't like nothing bad happens. So first is O. O, we don't know what O is, but then we have A. We love A. A is 250, and then oh my god, this is the wrong area. I'm not even supposed to put it here. Over here should be 30 degrees, and then over here, bam. Aha, please tell me this is the answer. Wait, height, okay, height, I'm 250. But if I don't believe this, I can, it's because the two here, this, age just goes here. Meaning tan 30 oh, times 250 is the same answer. Okay, now we double checked and triple checked. Height should be equal to that. 100, okay, bro, stop lagging. 50 over SQRT, 3, oh, minus 1. Ooh, okay. 144, remember. 50, um, SQRT, 3 plus 1. Ooh, very close. That means I did get the answer right. RT, 3. Hmm. Should we use degrees? I mean, we did put degrees. That's why we should use degrees. 10, 10. So, O, you know what? Let's just put O just for good measures. Yeah, none of these is equal to O other than this one, which is really close to O. What did I do wrong? Let's make sure and let's do the same thing with 45. 10, 45 degrees, or let's say 8, okay? Um, Actually, for 10, I can't not do 250. I have to do 150. Wait, what? Wait, what? Am I not in decrease mode? I am. Wait, you're telling me if I put this as 45? Oh, wait, no, not 250. I mean 150. Oh, hmm. A, because the other one, um, O, O, no, like, O, mid, medium. Hey Siri, how do you spell medium?
Medium. Medium.
Medium. That's not how you spell medium. Don't know. Why am I stuck in this question for so long? It's eight. Oh, it's me. Never mind. Um, O and A. Even that answer doesn't match with anything. But my best guess is 50. This, and that's the answer. But why is that the answer? I'm I'm like saving this map. Um, map tell this guy. Obviously it's hard, but I don't get it. Just like the other question. Actually, no, that one I get it why I got wrong. But I don't get this one. Alright, wait, let's clear everything. Um, Let the building height h be h, and the original distance of the building be x. Using the tangent of the 30 and 45 angles to equation in x, which you solve to find the building's height is 50. Mm-hmm. Since you know opposite on this adjacent, so that can explain anything. Alright, let's see it step by step. First, let the building height be h meters. Okay, height is h. That's a horrible h. I get that's still horrible. Oh, I can do. I didn't know I could do that. Okay. And let the original horizontal distance from the person of the base be x meters. So x. For the first position, the region of the elevation of the is 30. Yes, from here to here it's 30. After walking 100 towards the here, The distance is 1 x minus 145. I could have done this in a table graph. Table. If it's 30, it's x minus 2. Oh, yeah, you can't put x minus 2 here. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, 30. It's x. 1. E. Another e, but. Okay, so 30 equals x. Meaning 30 divided by is x. Um, what was the other one? Which was 45 right there. 45 is x minus 100. Oh, I mean, equal sign for the Kushina. Just do that. 1, 1. That's a big number. You know what? Go back. Be, be a normal number. I mean, yeah. Okay. That's what we get. Where's the line? The line O exists, but it's in the negative space. But, we put y equals and then like just remove this and just copy that and put it here with y equals. You get two lines. Then you realize they be actually each other. Unless they are what the, or unless they're here, which they do touch somewhere. See over here. But that's not the answer, bro. That's like not even close. What am I doing? I just went off topic. What am I doing? Okay, let's see the step by step. Um, bro, move, move. Okay. Um, yeah, yeah. Triangles. Then right triangles with height and base x and x minus 100. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot to deactivate. Okay. First, the first position. Opposite side to the 30 angle is h. Adjacent side is x. By defining a tangent. 10, 10 equals opposite adjacent, which is h and x. Yeah, this is h and this is x. How did you find 3? By defining of tangent, 10, 30 equal opposite over adjacent. We don't know what opposite is, nor we don't know what the adjacent is. Also, 10, 30. You mean 10, 45? 1 over 2. So, this doesn't help. Oh my goodness. Okay, Desmos guide. What did you do? For the tangent equation, you get x divided. Where do you get the root 3 from? Is it from 30? Okay, let's just write in. Let's see how he does it. For the equation, you get x skew on t 3 equals o equals x minus 100. Type y equals x squared t over 3 and y equals x minus 100. Okay, so there's three graphs now. At least there should be. What's that doing? Oh, well, they all touch in the same spot, which is this big pile of numbers. Um, Check the intersection point of the two curves. The x coordinate is the original of the building. Okay, like x value. I am so. Okay, it gives us this big pile of numbers. Okay. Oh yeah, thank you for telling me that I can't do that. Okay, so when it gives us this pile of numbers, we just need x because most of the time x is the main character for some reason. So when you click on this, you get this. But then you realize you don't have to click on it. But then you realize none of the answers are like this. Then you realize, what are you doing? Is it supposed to be in degrees? No. Then now you're thinking about what are you doing? Are you actually learning anything in math? For from a point on ground level, the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 30. Okay. After a person walks 100 meters directly close to the building, the angle of elevation becomes 45. Assume the ground is leveled. Okay, so how about this? 30 plus x. And another one is 45 plus um minus 100. Where's the? They are perpendicular. Of course they're perpendicular. Wait, no. They shouldn't be perpendicular. So this should be x. But that means it's gonna touch at that point. And then you realize you know actually nothing about math. I mean, you do, but this is like oh my goodness. After a point on the level ground, okay, is 30 degrees. Okay, what am I looking for? Assuming the what is the height of the building? Okay, okay, okay. So this is the straight line. This is building, and you see it from this far. It's 30. Now you see it from this far. Now you are looking at 45 degrees. That means from going from here to here means something. Hmm. So, hmm. Table. So if I'm 30, then I'm minus 100. And I'm like 45, 0. But I mean, you could say this is 0, this is like 100, and then click on this. No way, we got 6667. Then, then you realize this is a line equation and it has nothing to do with the triangle. But you do see a relation with the 30 and the 100 and the 45. But if I do this again, like 30 from how many distance we don't know equals to 45 with distance minus 100. Wait, this is not the height. This is like how far is it? Wait, what? Is D a special number? No. Wait, G. No, no, no. Let's use like B, okay? B. 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 Huh. 30 or B. 45 divided by B minus 100. Okay, so there is some bugs with decimals. So the whole line is 200. Okay, we found the line. It's 200. Yay. Wait, how did it go become 200? For 45, it's like 500 less. I mean, 100 less. For 30, it was 100 more. But that doesn't mean we know how close it is to the building. We just know it's far. Hmm. Hmm. We could. I've been thinking about this. We could just do this and we can like find out what is there. So, oh no, you can't. Oh wait, can you? No, you can't. Let's try anyway. Okay, so 180 minus 30 minus 90. This gives us 60. This is fully 60. This whole thing is 60. Let's try with this one. 180 minus 90 minus 45. What? It should have been 60. Wait, no, because it's closer. That's why it's not 60. But it's still 180. Okay, okay, okay. Wait, does that help me with anything? I mean, yeah, we found the outside part. Wait, it does help me with something. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So, what was it? Undecisive. So this whole thing from over there to over there. Okay, and then there's like a line in the middle. This whole thing is 60, and one part of this is 45. Wait, 45? Yeah, 45. Meaning. Okay, even if we find what this is and find what this is, I mean, wait, oh no, wait, maybe. Yes, we can. I don't care. I don't want no break time. Okay, because this is 45 and this whole thing is 60, we can do 60 minus 45, which gives us 15, which means this is 45 and this is 15. Now that we know the triangle looks like this, which already, and this is confusing. I mean, this we don't know, and this is 15, meaning 15 degrees is 100 here, meaning 45 should be I feel like a scientist. And if this doesn't work, I don't know, bro. Most of the things don't doesn't work. So let's see if this works. Meaning 45. Let's do distance. That is 300. This is 300. Now that we found this, we only need to find this now. Because 300 plus 100 is 400, and we can do Salvatore with 30. And what do we have to do? It goes here. So this is opposite, and this is A. So Toa T O A. So we can use Toa. Okay, we can use Toa plus Toa. So we should use tan 30 degrees. So Toa. So O is we don't know, and okay, we don't know, and 300 plus so 400. Oh yeah, I forgot to make any degrees in it, right? Yeah. But I didn't even click on degrees. That is 230 degrees. And obviously, none of these gonna match. Wait, let's see. If this matches, I'm gonna be so happy. But if this doesn't, yeah, it doesn't. At one point of the ground is a building. So over here, the building looks. That's so from over here. The building. You can see this is the H we're looking for. Under H. We're trying to find H. We know this is 30, and from here to here, which is 100 degrees away, from here to the same place, we know this is a right angle. It should be. Actually, no, we don't know if it's a right angle. The angle of elevation to the top of the building. From point on the ground, level ground, mission to the point top of the building is 30 degrees. Okay, so here to here is 30 degrees. If a person walks 100, towards the building, angle becomes 45 degrees. Oh, it never says it's a right angle. So the building could be like a little crooked. Oh my goodness. Ah, what am I doing with my life? I'm studying. That's something I love or trying to love. But yeah, okay, let's say the height is 50 something something. Let's double check. Okay, 50 over square t, 3 plus 1. You're telling me that's the height. Okay, if that's the height, oh yeah, we don't really know what's the base either, mostly because it's not a right angle. It's not. Yeah. AI. Wait. Let me see. If I lie to AI and say, "Tell me why is the answer D," and the AI actually says that the answer is D because I would be so disappointed. Alright, wait, let's take a screenshot again because how long did I spend on this problem? I think like more than a century. But um, I don't like giving up, even though it's a math. Decimals. Oh yeah, decimals won't tell you anything. Um, I smell eggs, bro. Who let the light? Okay, I'm back. Let's tell this AI why is the answer D. Okay, if it actually says the answer is D because blah 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 and makes something up, I would not trust this AI. The question, huh? The question, why might the direct conversation between two team members be? What? No! I don't even. Why is the answer to this question is D? Okay, give it the picture again. I don't. Wait, let me see the picture. Yeah, the AI can tell what it's looking at. Step by step. So the correct answer is B, not D. Okay, so it does understand its stuff. Um, so first thing first, what it did was set up variables. Let's set up height of the building. First observation, angle 30. So tan 30 equals height times x. So h equals x. No, so h equals x times tan. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, 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 wait. So he said, or it, because it's a non-living thing, said equal height times x. Okay. Now wait, give me a second. Let's put it in degrees, man. Okay, that's what it said. Okay. I mean, technically, we could just do that. But so you don't want? Oh, I mean, oh, okay. Just height times x. Okay. Also put it one there. Okay. Now we need to simplify this. Oh yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. To simplify it, because we're trying to find the height, we move the tan to the right side, which will make a negative, right? Negative 10. Okay, you know what? Let's just move the x one to the other side, which makes 10 30 times x 1, or just x. Okay, x times 10 30 equals x. Okay, bro. I don't know how that works. He's saying x times equals x over square t 3, which makes a single line. Hmm. If I put a 1 here, and do this, it's 0. So they are equal to. Oh, wait. Wait, why is it not 3 0? Oh, really? Wait, oh, it's always 0. Just lie to me. Bro. Wait, what is it? So, first I was gonna say, like, oh, they're equal, but no, they're not. Not really. They're not equal. Um, so what was I doing? Um, 1030 is equal to h height times x. So h equals height times 10. Shouldn't it be negative x because we moved it? Okay. Please work, please work, please work. So he said h times x, aka 1, is equal to h times x1 minus 100. So we found 120. But you do have to realize something. 10 30 is this heavy duty number. So for the first one, it's 10 or 10 30 with this. And for this, it's 10 45. Okay, you know what? You just remove things. We just needed to make a straight line. Or you not working? Yeah. Did it? Okay. No. No. I didn't do anything. Right. Huh. You know what? Wait. Homer lit the parts out. Doo, 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 doo. Homer lit the parts out. What's the problem? I don't see no problem. Oh, Homer lit the parts out. Okay, you know what? Let's just put it at 55. Oh no, I feel like I'm hallucinating. Okay, so 55. Okay, so H is 0. For some reason, it's 0. Can you do it step by step as I am new to this and give me easy way to do this? Homer let the parts out. You know what? To really walk you through this one, the exact wording of the question. Right now, I'm guessing. Right. Homer let the parts out. Okay. I love how 50. Okay, wait. It don't copy any. Not everything, so I have to like write in my number. sqrt 3 minus 1. B is 50 sqrt plus 1. And then let the parts out. Parts out. Yes, QRT 3 plus 1. C is 100. Ooh, I smell eggs, and they smell so good. It's making me hungry. By the way, I was joking. Okay, let's see how he does it. Step 0. Picture the setup. Building height unknown. First distance from the building unknown. First angle of elevation 30. You walk 100 closer, so new distance is x minus 100. Okay. Am I even live streaming? I don't feel like no, I'm not live streaming. You walk 100 miles closer, so new distance equal x minus 100. Second angle of elevation 45. We're on flat ground and the ice at ground level. Classic right triangle track. Yeah, I thought it was a right triangle too, but I don't think it's it. Using tan for the first position. So it is the right triangle. For the right triangle, tan O equals opposite over adjacent. Here. So tan we know. No, we don't. So tan 30 degrees equal h equals x. I mean h over x. We know this much. Okay. Let's change that. Break it down for you, Mark. No fancy needed. Why do we know that? Because 30. Wait. 30, 60, 90. Wait, this is a 30, 60, 90? Oh no, it's one of those angles. Omelette the parts up. Omelette the parts up. But how you know it's a 30, 60, 90 angle? Okay, I mean, yeah, we have 30 and then 90. Oh, yeah, and then 60. Okay, yeah, I see. 30, 60, 90 triangle. Fixed ratio. No way, he even drawed a triangle using code. The magic triangle you must memorize. The 30, 60, 90 triangle always have sides in the ratio. Opposite side, which is 30, is 1. Opposite 60, which is 3. And hypotenuse is 2. Wait, hypotenuse is 2? I'm gonna let the parts out. And let the parts out. Now we use the definition. side is 1. And the adjacent side is so 1030 equals 1. Oh, that's it. It's not magic. It's not a trick. It's literally just a special triangle ratio. If you want the decimals way, type this into decimals. We'll give you this. Not this. You get this. Same number. Confirm. Oh man, let the parts out. Two, two, two. Two, 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 two. And let the parts out. Okay, it says, 10, 30. We'll give you this number and the use mode. And to check the SQRT, 3, it's the same number. Oh my goodness. Oh my dingling. Okay, why this matters in your problem? You wrote 10 this equal high times x. Since we know the boom boom is substitute. Wait, what? How do you go from here to here? And then get the parts out. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, okay. Oh my little parts out. So what he did is he first took 10, 30, and he saw this number, which he called the A. So then he realized because A is equal to h plus x, I mean, Homer did the butts of. Not really. So, because we're trying to find h and not any other number other than h, yo, I hate this problem. I hate this problem. Whoever made this problem, I wish you have a good day. Okay, a equals h, but we're trying to find h. So to get rid of x1, or to get rid of x1, what we do is we just dealing it. You know how? We just let me check something. Like x plus b. Let's say b is like 4 and like x is like 5. Okay. Now, can we rewrite this whole thing by like on the opposite side? Oh my goodness, it's the same thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's the same thing. So it doesn't matter. Okay. So the h we want a times x1 equal h, which we just hippity dappity do and just turn it into x1. Boom. That's what we want. We're trying to find h. Um, oh man, let the parts out. Toot, 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 toot. Oh man, let the parts out. Okay, now we get this angle. I don't even know where to put that in. So, I seriously have no idea how to do this. I mean, I do. It tells me, but like, okay, I will come back to this later. Even though I know a little bit. Okay, so this is a 30-60 angle. Okay, well, give me my pencil. So this, oh, this, that's a very this. For some reason, it's a right triangle. Even though I did some stuff and found out that it wasn't, because over here is 30. Oh my little parts out. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, because 90 30. So that means this has to be. Hey, say, what is 180 minus 90 minus 30?
180 minus 90 minus 30 is 60.
Thank you, Siri.
Sure thing.
So this is 60. So 30, 90, 60 problem. And if you look at the thing, there's a problem that's literally 30, 90, 60. Meaning the x we find, this is 2x, this is x squared, which we can turn it into a formula. A formula! Don't you like form? Oh wait, I cannot click on that. Okay, let's like write it somewhere. So 2x equals x square t 3 plus x. Okay, now let's make our own formula. So, Katoa. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. That means I'm gonna fall asleep. That means this stream will end. Oh yeah, oh my. 2x equals. Okay, I sound like Baldy. Okay, x square t 3 plus x. Oh my, let the bird sound. My little bird sound. But what is x? Oh my god, my plan never works. Alright, what am I doing? Because this is a 30-60-90 angle. Let me look at ChatGPT. I mean Copilot. I still don't get it. How did you get the answer B? B. You know what? I think this ChatGPT gave me something that's like um, very hard way. So I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, post it in Discord, and get help. And also help others because helping others make you have your karma come back. Yeah, and getting help is also good. But yeah, helping others also better at math. So it's like oh, I feel so dried out. Not even dried out, like killed. I never thought the math problem would. Uh, uh, oh my little birds. Okay, Lori. Okay, while we wait for that, let's do this. Okay, my imagination is not working at all now. In the figure, okay, what do you want? The choice. Which choice is the value of x? X. Where is x? There is x. Hmm. So if we look at this, we know a triangle has to be 180. Meaning, bam. Okay, you know what? Let's just 180, but let's like put it here so we're more organized. X plus, oh wait, no, x1 plus 18 degrees plus 3x plus 6. But this is another one though. I mean, yeah, x is 39, or is it? Dun dun dun. No, this is wrong. Um, this is very wrong. Um, okay, wait. Let's actually read this. Why am I just starting and not reading it? Okay, we're trying to find x. Okay, in the figure of segment DE, parallel to the segment AB. DE is parallel to AB. Where's D? Alhamdulillah. So DE is parallel to AB. So this line and this line is parallel to each other, even though this line's looking up and this line's looking down. And then you realize there's a Z forming here. Oh my goodness, I love this Z. Meaning 3x plus 6 is equal to 120. Okay, let me read more. Okay, yeah. Okay, what we learned? 3x plus 6 is equal to 120. Oh yeah, I forgot. Boom. Meaning we found what's x. It's 38. Hey, I love how 38 is not here. So it's not 38. But there is the lines. If these two lines are parallel to each other, which it is, it can do the z method, which you sure they're parallel? Wait, DE, so DE, so this and this is parallel to the line segment AB. So these two, and you see the Z, meaning 120 is equal to this monstrosity. Yeah. Two other measurements are labeled to the Okay, so if this is 120 and this is also 120, then what are these two? Okay. We're trying to find X. But we can't really find. Wait. BAC. BAC. Oh! This whole thing is 120. Okay. I'm wrong. Okay, BAC is 120, and I think this is for this one, and this is for this one. They graphed it really bad. They could have just said like D is this and A is that, but yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chito Freddy Fast Print. Chito Freddy Fast. Mozzarella cheese one. Mozzarella cheese. Okay, that's why that makes sense because 120 is like this whole circle. This whole circle is 120. Right? 120. That's a very bad 120. Okay. But not really half of it, right? Okay. But this is gonna be hard. We don't know what x is. We wanna find what x is, but because this line is not in the middle, we can't just do the z method, which we kinda can, but because it's not in the middle, we can't divide this by 2 because it's not in the middle. Segment DE, okay, yeah, DE is parallel to BA or AB. The measurement BAC is 120. Okay, nice to know. Thank you, Grandpa. Two other angle measurements are labeled. Yeah, you can't just. I mean, I did try, but it won't work. X plus 18 parallel to 3x plus 6. Oh, wait, I forgot to put 1. Oh my goodness. It does give us 6, but 6 is not the answer because you can't just. You need to find this. Okay. Wait, is this one of the special triangles? It is not one of the special triangles. But you know what you could do? You can just draw a imaginary line. Oh wait, it's deactivated. You can just draw an imaginary line in the middle, making it this, which caused the 120 to be divided by 2, which causes 180 minus 90 minus 60, and then you get 30. Yay! I mean, this is kind of illegal. I mean, not illegal, but it's like I don't even think this is how you're supposed to do it. This is 30. That's something. Um. Hmm. Oh yeah, it won't work. You know, that's no. It won't work. No. It will only work with this line. It will not. This 30 measurement will change if this is different. So all my plans is ruined already. I have no idea how to solve this. Nothing is coming to my head. This is just like in class. And I hate this feeling of not being able to solve, even though you know so much. Hi, Muddy.
Oh man, what? What?
I said hi.
Oh hey.
Disgusting.
Yeah, I made an egg if you want to eat.
Oh, you made the egg?
Yes,
Nice.
it's really good.
Oh my god, so many
Yeah.
people. Wait. Oh. I don't even need no break, bro. How do you do this? It is a triangle. It has a 120. It could be an isosceles triangle. Not really.
Maybe some leftover vegetables.
Not really. But
Tastes so good.
those lines do mean something. Think about it. If the okay, because the lines are here, this. Nah, bro. Those lines do mean something. They're trying to hint me something, bro. I don't really know what. I can't do anything with this 120. You know what? Let's do the guessing game. So because 3x plus 6 and x plus this, where's the value of x? It can't be 30. That's way too big because think about it. It's big. Now, Does that look like a 94 to you? It looks bigger than 94. It's an obtuse angle, so it's not 18. I know it's not drawn to scale, but most of the time you can just look at it and tell. It's not 60, it's more than 90. Oh, it's actually going lower. Wait, so this is. Oh, why is it doing that? Okay, so this. It is more than 90. At least. Wait, so it could be 18. This kind of looks more than 90-ish, but it does look more than 90. I mean, let's not even talk about that. Okay, so it has to be 18. Look at that, it's 19. Um, what? Because DE is parallel to AB, yeah? What about it? Look for a pair of equal angles created by the segments AD crossing both lines. Yeah, this is supposed to be here. Wait, wait a minute. 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 There's no way. There is no way. There is there is no way. So what happened was, yes. Oh yeah, coming. Yeah,
Wait, did you find it?
Uh, okay, I'm back. For the 10th time. Oh, wait. Oh, that's amazing. There's a keybind. Okay, I'm back. Uh, but wait, let me check the Discord and see if anyone like said anything. Never mind, no one did because they're all sleeping. 10. Sunglasses emoji. Life goes on and on. Oh wait, maybe that song is copyrighted. Okay, wait. Let's see. Do I remember how I did this? So because this is parallel and this is also parallel, that means this makes a z, and because this makes a z, this goes here, and because this whole thing is 120, and this goes here, meaning the max it can go is 120. I mean, it has to equal to 120, not the max. Um, so x1 plus 18 plus, because you're not adding them, 3x 1 plus 6, and you get 24. Then you realize what's the value of x? 24. So I do remember it. Okay, nice. I love this. This is like a good math problem. I did spend way too much just thinking, understanding. I should have just read this first and see this. Okay. On the map of on a map of a park, two straight walking paths intersect at point 0 or O, forming a four angles. In the figure, two adjacent angles are labeled boom, boom, and boom. Which choice is the value of x? Oh, if you're trying to find x, okay, this could be my favorite problem. Why? Because I just do 3x plus uh 3x. I mean just x. Okay, then plus x1 plus 41 plus. Okay, yeah, I should just like. You know what? I can do this fast. X is 15. Let's go, baby. Technoblade never dies. Oh. Okay. Wait. Wait, let me check. Because it's plus, could I have just like. Wait. Could have I. Wait. Nah. Okay. Could have I just did this? Wait. Oh my god, I could have just did that. Because 2 times this and 2 times this, which also gives you 15. But I didn't want to risk it, so I did that way. In a right triangle ABC, C is the right angle and AB is 25. The alternate form C of the hypotenuse AB has a length of 12. If AC is less than BC, what is sin A? You're right. What is sin A? So in a right triangle, so this is a right triangle. Yes, yes, it's a right triangle. C is the right angle. C is the right angle. And AB is 25. C is the alternate from C to the hypotenuse AB. So now we know AB are pregnant. I mean, big guys, meaning 25. The altitude from C to the hypotenuse AB has a length of 12. So a line goes from here to here, which is 12, aka radius. I mean, no. If AC is less than BC, what is sin A? Sin A. So gato is so. So this is opposite. This is hypotenuse. So we only want these two. Um, you're right. I know. Oh no, this is one of those problems. So O, it says what is sin A. Okay. So O, we don't know what O is. So let's just say A. O is O. And H, we do know what H is. It's 25. But, I remember a problem. I remember doing something like this. Please tell me it's in the formula sheet. Technically, this is that. See this line? Just I mean, not really. It doesn't come up. It actually comes up from another side. But it does make a right angle on the hypotenuse. It does make a right angle on the hypotenuse. It does. So we know the base, which is 25. We don't know the height. Oh, we do know the height. Oh, oh. Wait. If we find the base and the height, it's kind of useless. Actually, no. Height will give us this, which will cause us to find this. Okay. I'm getting way too excited over math for some reason. Okay. So the formula was 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height. Because we know height, we don't know height, but we know a base is 25. 25. 1/2 base times height. Oh wait. We don't know what's height. Oh my goodness. I keep on forgetting what I'm doing. Height is 12. So wait, does it have any? It doesn't. So yes, that's good. So based on 1/2 base times height, which is 140, which is the whole area. Or is it the whole area? It is the whole area. Because we know the area, I don't think it's gonna help us. Wait. Yeah, it's not gonna help us. Why did we try to find area? We're trying to find B. Wait, I do remember doing another thing, which is obviously it's not 5/3, nor 5/4. Should be 3 over 4. But look, there's 3 here. But there's also 4 here. And there's also 5 here. There's 5, 1, 1. So it has to be 5. Okay, which both of them. How many 3's are there? There's only. Oh my goodness, they did it. They did it purposely. So all of them could be right. You know what? Because I already passed 5 minutes, give me a hint. Sketch the right angle with C as 90 degrees. Label AB 25. Enjoy altitude from C to AB 12. Yeah. Sides are the legs, and which is the hypotenuse. Can you even find the leg? We got pi, we got 25. We could do a square. Can you? Because b squared equals c squared, which is what we're trying to find, the outside part. We know that c. Okay, wait. We know that c is 25. We also kind of feel like we know that a is 12. Nah, it's not 12. You know what? Give me another hint. Wait. If you think about it, we can break 25 into. I did say when from C to the hypotenuse AB has a length of 12. Meaning, what's 25 divided by 2? It's 12.5. So C is 12.5. We will try to find only this side. So 12.5. A is 12. Then B is 2.5. That's wrong. That's wrong. Wait, what are we trying to find? Oh, Sene. We're trying to find. Oh, so if this is 2.5, let's say hypothetically, this is 2.5, which looks illegal. Oh, now we can do SOHCAHTOA again. So C is 25, A is 2.5, which gives us the same answer that we did before. Oh, maybe it means something. No, it doesn't. It says AC is less than BC, which it is. BC is like 24 and AC is 3.5. You know what? Let's do that again. Let's clear our mind. Clean. Diabetes. I mean, diabeto. Clean. In a right angle. Okay, we already know it's a right triangle. Okay, that's our favorite. Yay, right triangle. C is the right triangle part. Okay, so A and B are married and pregnant, which caused them to be 25. Okay, the alternate from C to the hypotenuse AB is 12. So over here to over here is 12. If AC is more than BC, what is sin A? Now, that's a great question. Give me another hint, bro. Give me another hint. You can find the area of the triangle using 2 legs. Why do we want the area of the triangle? We don't want no area of the triangle. What question does? Oh, technically, if you do 25 divided, oh, what 25 divided 2, you get to 1.5, which caused, give me that eraser, give me that. That's a eraser. Okay, make that small. Okay, meaning this is 12.5, and this is 12.5. Meaning. If I do Sokotoa, not Sokotoa. So one is A is 12.5. No, that's C. C is no, C is 12.5, and A is 12, which makes 3.5. I mean, which makes the bottom part. Wait, so this is an isosceles angle? I feel like this is an isosceles angle. Now sin A, because sin A, so SOHCAHTOA, so OH, so O over H. So bam, so this is O and this is H, which cause it to be um 3.5. Wait, that also makes it so AC and CB are the same length. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see. 3.5 and then what was it? 25, which is 750. Yay, I hate math, bro. Not really hate, but like it's not understandable. Yo, I spent 2 hours here. Okay, okay, what did it say? You can find the area of the triangle using the two legs and using the hypotenuse and the alternate. Does that give you involving AC and BC? What about AC and BC? I know AC and BC. BC should be bigger than AC. Wait, to find. Wait. Oh wait, wrong one. Wait. To find, you need base and height, which we already do have. But that won't help us with anything. Let's say we find the area and base and height, which we already have base and height. What do we do with the area? Do we just like square root it by 3? We could square root it by 3, but it will make all the answers the same. I feel like this is a very easy problem, but I just don't know. Okay, give me another hint. Write the Popalepala using AC and BC and AB equal 25. Wait, can you even do that? AB equal 25. X. AB. I mean AB. Yeah, you can't do that. You can't. Okay. Using. I mean, you can do. I mean, you can just say 25. But no, AB is equal to 25. As yeah. Okay. I have both AC. Why are you what? Hmm. AB is 25. We already know that. This is this. I'm writing it backwards for some reason. Um, AC So AC squared plus BC, which is this. But we don't know neither AC or BC. Once you know AC and BC, decide whether which side is the opposite angle. I don't know what AC or BC is. Can't find it. I mean, I did find 3.5, but that doesn't work. Strategy. For right triangle problems. No way, I've been looking at this problem for 15 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so bad. For right triangle problems with the altitude to the hypotenuse, first label all sides clearly and use the relationship. Abu, how you doing? Yes, sir.